Do you ever feel tired all the time, even after a good night's sleep? Or maybe you have trouble concentrating or remembering things. If so, you may be deficient in vitamin B1. Hey everyone, welcome back to our video series on vitamins. Today, we are talking about vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. We couldn't do this without you. Vitamin B1 is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in many bodily functions, including energy production, metabolism, cell growth and repair, and nervous system function. It's also important for maintaining a healthy immune system and preventing chronic diseases. In this video, we'll discuss everything you need to know about vitamin B1, including its benefits, food sources, and recommended daily intake. We'll also talk about the symptoms of vitamin B1 deficiency and how to prevent it. Stick around to learn more about this important nutrient and how it can help you to stay healthy and energized. Vitamin B1 was discovered in 1912 by Casimir Funk, who named it after the Greek word for life, bios. Funk was studying a disease called beriberi, which was common in Asia at the time. Beriberi is caused by a deficiency of thiamine, and Funk was able to cure beriberi in pigeons by feeding them a diet that was rich in thiamine. In 1936, Paul Kerr discovered the chemical structure of thiamine and synthesized it in the laboratory. In the years following Funk's discovery, other scientists began to identify and isolate other B vitamins. Okay, I know. You are probably saying, hold on a minute. In the previous video, Funk was credited with discovering B1 or thiamine, and then we were told that Doisy was credited with discovering B1 29 years after Funk, and now you're telling me that Kerr was credited with discovering B1 5 years before Doisy? So what gives? You remember correctly, and we were just as confused as you when researching this video. Let's briefly try to make some sense of this. In 1911, Funk isolated a substance from rice bran that cured beriberi, a disease caused by a thiamine deficiency. He called this substance a vitamine from the Latin words vita for life and amine for a chemical group found in the substance. Funk's discovery was the first scientific evidence that vitamins exist. According to the Nobel Prize website, Doisy and Dam were the first to synthesize vitamin B1 in 1941. However, some sources state that Kerr synthesized vitamin B1 in 1937, but his method was not very practical. It is possible that Kerr's synthesis was the first chemical synthesis of vitamin B1, but Doisy and Dam's synthesis was the first to be used on a large scale. All three scientists made significant contributions to our understanding of thiamine and its importance in human health. As for why all three scientists are credited with the discovery and synthesis of thiamine, it is likely because their work was so closely intertwined. Funk's discovery of antinuretic factor in rice bran paved the way for Doisy and Dam to isolate thiamine from yeast. Kerr's work on chemical structure of thiamine was essential for developing a method for synthesizing it. In short, Funk, Doisy, and Kerr all played important roles in the discovery and synthesis of thiamine. They were all pioneers in the field of vitamin research, and their work has had a profound impact on our understanding on human health. Now that's settled, let's move on. Food sources for thiamine or B1. Vitamin B1 is found in a variety of foods, including whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, fortified foods. The recommended daily intake of thiamine for adults is 1.2 milligrams for men and 1.1 milligram for women. Pregnant women need 1.4 milligram for thiamine per day, and breastfeeding women need 1.5 milligram of thiamine per day. Vitamin B1 is essential for many bodily functions, including energy production. Thiamine is involved in the conversion of food into energy. Metabolism. It is involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Cell growth and repair. It is also necessary for the production of DNA and RNA, which are essential for cell growth and repair. nervous system function. Thiamine is also necessary for the proper functioning of the nervous system. Immune system function. It's very important for maintaining a healthy immune system as well. Vitamin B1 deficiency is a serious condition that can lead to a variety of health problems, including beriberi. Beriberi is a disease that affects the nervous system and cardiovascular system. Symptoms of beriberi include muscle weakness, fatigue, numbness and tingling in the hands and feet, and heart problems. Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome is a neurological disorder that can cause confusion, amnesia, and eye problems. Encephalopathy. Encephalopathy is a condition that affects the brain. Symptoms of encephalopathy include confusion, delirium, and coma. Vitamin B1 supplementation is generally safe for most people. However, people with certain medical conditions such as kidney disease should talk to their doctor before taking thiamine supplements. Vitamin B1 is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in many bodily functions. Most people can get enough thiamine from a healthy diet. However, people with certain medical conditions, people who are at risk for thiamine deficiency, and pregnant and breastfeeding women may need to take thiamine supplements. The next video in this vitamin series is all about vitamin A, its history, benefits, and the food sources that contain this amazing nutrient. So, until next time, vitamin fans, please like, subscribe, share, and leave us a comment. Let us know how we are doing and things you would like to see us cover in future videos. Continue watching and stay healthy.